to Hardtimes. Speaking of Hardtimes, how I purchased Hardtimes to start. It's a funny story because I was on a flight back home from Indonesia. It's a long flight. And my oldest daughter, Elena, just took her first steps, and I wasn't there for that. So obviously I'm like depressed, I'm a wreck on the flight. And the old owners, Karen and Mike, who happen to be our landlords actually, they had messaged me about, you know, buying the pool room, but I wasn't ever really ready. And Desiree and I had been saving up to buy a house in Vegas, and I had kind of forgotten the idea of even buying this place. So then she reached out to me as I'm getting on the flight as I'm on the flight in Asia, and she said if I was interested, and I messaged Desiree like, hey, what do you think? She's like, that's a great idea. Let's see what we can do. And that's how it started, literally via text message when I was flying back home from Indonesia. And I made money in Jakarta, and it was just like, I started really thinking about my life. Did I really want to spend the rest of my life traveling? Did I really want to miss out on big moments like my daughter's first steps? So it really made me think on more the long-term game. So it was a blessing in disguise that I was kind of depressed, and the timing just worked out. It's amazing how life just happens to work itself out. And with the help of a few people, and, you know, Karen and Mike being so supportive, you know, we ended up buying this place, and COVID happened, and we survived it all. But, you know, here we are, stronger than ever. So thank you to everybody who helped Desiree and I on the journey, and, you know, follow my dreams of owning my own pool room.